Good morning. We're going to be talking about King Midas and his point of view. So first we're going to look at the beginning of this story. Let's first read the directions. Close reading purpose. Point of view is the way that someone thinks and feels. After reading King Midas, look for words and phrases that give clues about how King Midas feels at the beginning, middle, and end of the story. So now, what we're going to do first is look at the beginning of the story, and we're going to focus on King Midas's point of view and the text evidence that shows this. So at the beginning of the story, I feel that King Midas is excited about his new wish of gold. So we will say, King Midas is excited about his new wish of gold. King Midas is excited about his new wish of gold. And in the text, it states that he was delighted and thrilled when everything he touched turned to gold. So we'll write, he was delighted and thrilled when everything he touched turned to gold. You just fit it. I thought I was going to run out of room. Alright, let's look at now the middle of this part of the story. And I'm pretty sure in the middle part, King Midas was upset because he turned his daughter Marigold into a statue. So King Midas's point of view at the middle of the story was, he was upset because he turned his daughter into gold. And in the text it says that he wept with grief and sorrow. That's our text evidence that shows that he was upset. I spelled grief wrong. Gotta fix that. I-E-F. So he wept with grief and sorrow, and wept means cry. He was very upset with grief and sorrow. I will let you fill in the end part of the story on your own. So you're going to come up with his point of view, how King Midas felt, and the text evidence that shows it. Lastly, I will do part A with you of the multiple choice to get with you, and then you can fill out part B on your own as well. It says, this question has two parts. First answer part A, then part B. Part A, how does King Midas change at the end? A, he is happy to have special powers. B, he wants everything he touches to turn to gold. Or C, he is glad that his wish is undone. By the end of the story, I'm pretty sure that King Midas was super happy that his wish was reversed, because Marigold wasn't into stone anymore, or turned into gold, and I think he realized that he doesn't need gold to be happy. So I'm going to choose letter C. He is glad that his wish is undone. And then you can fill out part B on your own. It just says which detail from the story supports the answer to part A. So find the sentence in the story that goes along with answer C.